I have not worn not one piece of jewelry from Mint Mongoose in a very, 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 did I say very, very long time. I just don't wear it. So I'm afraid it is on the cancel list. Unfortunately, I may revisit this subscription down the road or closer to maybe Christmas time. I don't know. But it has made its way onto my cancel list. But for now, let's just open this and we shall see what we have been sent. Like I said, this is a jewelry subscription bag and it is $12 a month, and they also have Mint Mongoose Black, which is $24, I think, a month. I used to get Mint Mongoose Black, and you got 5 pieces or whichever, and then that was serious jewelry overload. I mean, I have so much jewelry now, and I, like I said, just don't wear it. It's just seriously just too much jewelry. I love the pieces, I really do. But one can only wear so many earrings. I only have, 2 holes in each ear. And, it's just too much. It's just too much jewelry. So, anyway, this is how the package comes. It is beautifully packaged. It is so much care taken with this subscription box. And from what I've gathered and read, she designs and makes all her own jewelry. She's a self-made woman. She runs her own company. She does everything for her own company. I commend her. I mean, it's wonderful what she does, but I unfortunately I just cannot I can't keep up with the jewelry. So anyway, anywho, we're gonna open it and find out what she sent us this month. Put that in there so my doggy don't get a hold of it. She's hiding out back here. Where is she? There she is. She's hiding out. Oh, there she is, a little black furry thing right there. She's hiding out underneath the pillows. So there we go. And then you just pop this open and whoop, there's my little piece of candy. And come on out. Out, 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 out. There we go. And you always get it wrapped in a neat little package. And then it says, thank you from Mint Mongoose. Yay, it's here. And if you, my face is so broke out. Oh. And then if you take a picture and you post it on Facebook, you can win a free month. I've never done it. And oh, I got a ring here. There is a ring. I'm gonna put it right on so I don't drop it on the floor, because Lord knows I have been known, ouch, to do that. Come on now. I don't need to get you stuck. I'm not gonna flip you off because I put it on my middle finger, but there it is right there. There. I cannot tell what it is exactly. Looks to be maybe a bird of some sort. Maybe I was gonna say an ostrich, but I'm not thinking it's an ostrich. Maybe it's an ostrich, I don't know. And then you always get a Werther's original piece of candy. Yeah, my face is so broke out. Oh. And then it comes in this wonderful little green package. And then for the $12, you get the ring, of course. And then looks like I have 2 little packages here. Looks to be a necklace maybe and a pair of earrings. So let's open this up. It always comes beautifully packaged. And there's a little mascot of the company, and it's wonderfully packaged. There we go. Oh, don't you dare fall out. Comes in nice little bubble wrap. Come on. Don't argue with me tonight. There we go. It's not tangled this time. Oh, maybe I spoke too soon. Oh, nope. Nope, I did not. right, and I do have black on, so you'll be able to see it against. There we go. Come on. And I can't really tell what the heck that is. It looks to be an Asian design of sorts. Thinking, I don't know, gold specks maybe? I'm thinking that's what it kind of, I don't know, maybe. And then on a gold chain. And then it has there's the Mint Mongoose emblem. And it, yeah, it's a gold chain, gold specks on the design there. Nothing too fancy schmancy. I mean, it's cute, but honestly, I probably won't ever wear it. I have a necklace on, so I don't know. But that is very nice. Somebody will like it. I will probably gift it. Like I said, I will probably gift it away to another person. They will probably get it as a gift. Okay, and then put it back in this little baggie. There we go. Back in the baggie with you. In there. And then we have one more little baggie. Like I said, this would have been a very fast video. I think I talked longer than it took for us to take a peek at the wonderful jewelry pieces. And then we have this other little baggie, and yep, it is earrings. Little stud earrings come out of the bag now, doggone ya. Let's see if I can show you these without dropping them on the floor like I normally do, dropping them on the floor per usual. I don't know if I'm going to be able to. I'm not sure I'm doing them any justice at all, but there they are, and they look just like the necklace. Little gold specks in them. Nothing. I'm not wowed over either piece, honestly. I'm really not too awful wowed over. All right, well, we got necklace, earrings, and a ring, and there's the earrings and the ring, which I still have not yet figured out. I want to say it is the one, the bird that, what is that bird? What is that bird that does that? It's not a flamingo. I almost had it, almost had it. The one that shows all its birds, its feathers. I want to say a partridge. It ain't a daggone partridge. What the heck is the name of that bird that shows all of its feathers, the pretty feathers? The heck is the name of that daggone bird? It ain't a parakeet either. Oh my goodness, why can't I think of the name of that stupid bird? I can't think of the daggone name of that bird. I'll think of it like 3 weeks after this stupid video goes on, and I can't think of the damn name of it. I don't know. But anyway, that is it for this Mint Mongoose unboxing and unbagging, blah, 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 blah.